Floating markets are one of the biggest attractions in Bangkok, so this afternoon I'm going to visit one of the most famous floating markets in Bangkok, known as the Amphawa floating market. Now it's a little bit outside of Bangkok city center, so it's a bit hard to get to. First thing you need to do is get to the southern bus terminal where we can take a minivan. Now to get to the bus terminal, you can take public transport, but it takes a while. Instead, it's better to just take a Grab. You're going to save a lot of time and it's not going to be much more expensive. That was a pretty crazy ride, but I made it to the bus terminal. Now I gotta figure out where I can take a bus to Amphawa. It must be one of these. Hi. Amphawa? Amphawa? Okay. Okay, alright. He's gonna figure it out for me. He told me to go to booth number 10. So here you can get an Amphawa ticket. I got my ticket for 70 baht, so pretty cheap, but they couldn't understand me when I was trying to ask them what time is the bus, so let's just hope the bus is soonish. Alright, it took almost an hour of waiting, but I finally got on a bus. I'm not sure if this is the bus to Amphawa. I asked the driver Amphawa and he said yes, so you'll have to go and join me on this adventure to find out whether I get there or not. Did manage to get here in about an hour and 15 minutes of driving. The guy drove really fast. The moment you get here, you should buy your return ticket straight away to ensure you have a spot on the return bus. The last bus that departs from here back to Bangkok is at 8:20, so make sure you don't miss that one basically, otherwise you have to stay the night here. Now from where they dropped you off, Amphawa floating market is basically a short walk away. Gonna start with some shrimp siu mai and hakao.
Would you like garlic?
Yeah, sure. So these are obviously very traditional Chinese dim sims. Okay, that one was pork. Very tender pork. I like the garlic flavor. Must be a Thai touch to add the garlic and the chili sauce all over it. Definitely not a Chinese thing. Alright, what about the prawn dumplings? Again, that fried garlic is really good. So I think if she hits that little love heart, her friend will fall into the whatever that is. But I saw these grilled pork being cooked and I just can't resist for 5 baht each. That's ridiculously cheap. The grilled pork in Thailand is so good. It's a good mix of fatty and non-fatty pork. Oh yeah, it's very well marinated as well. What the hell is this? Got a sign here, fried fish banana blossom. A small one's only 20 baht, so you can probably try it out. It looks like a bunch of fried fish with sauce all over it and cucumber wrapped in a banana leaf, so it's like a little parcel. Let's try this out with a little bit of sauce on top. Oh yeah, that sauce is chili. It's definitely chili. Outside is very crispy, inside is a bit chewy. It tastes a lot like fish tofu, so it's like deep fried fish tofu. These guys over here will pull up right to the pier to try to sell you stuff to eat. They can go down all the way here. They set up a table for you. You can see the food being cooked on the boat right in front of you. It looks really amazing. Let's check out their menu. They got all sorts of grilled seafood. You can get grilled shrimp, squid, all sorts of stuff. Oh, they got scallops. I love my scallops. It's time to get a closer look at how my food has been prepared. So each one of these boats seem to be doing different things. So the one on the left, let's see, let's get a closer look. So that lady's grilling my prawns. The lady at the back is doing my scallops. You got a lady here doing pancakes. This one's doing, I think, noodles. This one's doing drinks. All right, my seafood platter has arrived. So on the left, we got some juicy big prawns. Oh my God, it's hot. All right, so look at the size of those prawns. They're huge. They're so fat. This little basket here cost me 200 baht, which is a really good deal. It's about $8 or $9, and you know it's fresh because you can see the lady grilling them right there in front of me. Next we got some scallops in garlic butter. Now scallops is one of my all-time favorite seafoods, so when I saw on the menu, I definitely had to get it, especially with the garlic butter sauce. And lastly, got some squid. These look like they're nicely barbecued as well. All right, it's time to dig in. All right, I'm gonna start with the squid. Dip it in the sauce. I know this sauce has got to be chili. Oh, that's so chili. It's really chili. Oh my God, my tongue's burning. Next up, we have the garlic butter scallops. They're a bit small, but I'm gonna dip in the garlic butter sauce. I gotta say, garlic butter is my favorite combination when it comes to scallops. Lastly, it's these big fat barbecue prawns. And the only gripe I have with prawns is I gotta peel them first, and it's really hot. All right, there you go. One big fat juicy prawn. Very nicely barbecued. Some of the freshest prawns I've ever had. It's so big, so I feel it in my mouth. At about 6:30, when the sun is setting, they start running these firefly tours. So they put you on a boat with a bunch of other people, and they take you around the river to go watch the fireflies. Now obviously my phone is not the best for capturing fireflies because it's so dark, but you can still see them flashing in the background. There's a lot of them on this tree here. It's very pretty. Perhaps 10 years ago, before there was too much light pollution development around here, there probably was way more fireflies, but there's still definitely some. They're still definitely here. So before I go on my bus ride home, I'm gonna get some snacks. These are kind of like takoyaki, except they have seafood in them instead of just octopus. Got these freshly made. The egg looks like they've just been cooked. So let's try these out. Oh my God, it's hot. So that's what happens when you cook it fresh. Really, really hot. Basically like an omelette. Just imagine a seafood omelette. It's really good. Amphawa has been a really nice experience. There's not that many tourists here. There's actually quite a lot of locals here. This is like a tourist destination for Bangkok locals too. Definitely come here and enjoy the seafood. Sit by the river and eat the seafood. It's a great experience.